Hi besties, I'm Jen.
And I'm Shannon. Welcome back to the Calm and Chaotic Connection.
We are best friends. We are completely opposites. Shannon is a silver lover and I love rose gold.
Today, we have Eyescream Beauty. And it is fully December. This is for November. She arrived on December 1st.
The audacity.
No spoilers. Don't know anything about this box this month. But thanks for billing me the same day I got last month's box. I love that.
So this is a really great box. And I think that if it wasn't for the fact that it's such a good box,
we would be considering options.
Shannon was telling me that a lot of people on the Reddits are mad.
Upset. There's been no spoilers since September. The boxes are literally arriving in the next month. No, and there's been not a lot of communication. A couple months ago, we did get an email saying boxes were going to ship late. It didn't say boxes were going to forever ship late.
Maybe that's what they meant. I don't know.
We don't know what's happening. Maybe ice cream is having some trouble.
Maybe they're going through a thing.
We like them, but we'll see. This box is $29. Plus, I pay $7 extra for these cute little duochrome guys.
So cute. Worth every cent.
We're gonna start with the duochromes.
Let's do it. Ooh.
This is like pink with a blue shift, it looks like. These are always so pretty. I don't even use these very much, but they're so pretty I can't stop.
Know. Oh my gosh. I want to bathe in it. Oh my goodness.
Well, it's very purple on camera.
But looking at it in the pot, it's pink.
This is definitely a topper situation.
Oh.
It's so pretty though.
There. Oh my goodness.
This one, are you ready?
Yeah. Ooh.
She is fully pink. Maybe. Wow.
Oh gosh. Oh my goodness. So this is doing like an orange gold thing.
Yes, that's gorgeous.
Oh my, this is a rose gold moment right there.
This one is very white.
Oh my goodness. I was waiting for you to swatch first. Oh. Ooh.
Yeah, that's very white silver.
Like I almost do see blue even maybe a little bit. Or am I crazy?
It's kind of a blue tone silver, I think.
Oh my god.
These are beautiful. These are beautiful every month.
Every time.
I'm gonna take a bath in that. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Let's get into the actual box.
Let's do this.
I'm flinging glitter everywhere.
Yay! I love a glitter party. What you got, girl?
I got some Beauty Creations Bratz Nightlife matte black and white dual liners. Didn't you get this in your Beauty Creations box?
And I left it here. Yeah, this is $14.
Were these liquid or were these pencil?
These were gel.
Thin felt tip.
Oh.
Oh, one's a gel pencil and one's a... They're double-ended.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
I don't remember them being double-ended. So each one has a gel pencil on one end and a liquid liner on the other.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I don't remember us discovering that. Do you?
I think I was very minimally interested and didn't want to do anything with it.
I like a gel liner.
I do too, but I don't like that kind of a liquid moment.
I don't like a liquid moment, period. So I'm not going to swatch those today because I'm not sure that I'm going to use them. They're cute. Everyone likes to get an eyeliner. I can't, how much do those retail for?
$14.
$14. This is the ZC. We've seen this before.
Yes.
Not this item, but this brand. Curling and Lengthening Mascara Dense.
Okay, waterproof mascara by ZC Cosmetics.
$22.
No. Mascara, yeah.
Yeah.
$22.
It doesn't say that it's a tubing mascara.
This one says waterproof.
Yeah, waterproof.
Yes?
Curl and Lengthen Mascara all day. All right, I'm not going to open this. It's sealed in plastic, which we do like. But I don't need a new mascara open today, so we're not going to open that. But
great.
Love getting a new mascara. And then I'm going to assume it's in the color black. It doesn't say. But I think that's usually a safe assumption if they don't say.
Yeah.
This is also from ZC. This is also wrapped in plastic. This is all in Korean, maybe? Chinese?
How about boba blush?
It looks like boba.
Okay.
I've got glitter in my nose.
A silky buildable blush that leaves cheeks looking sweet and naturally flushed, inspired by bubbly boba drinks. It gives your skin the cutest pop of color and is perfect for on-the-go beauty. $18.
18? $18 blush. I'm expecting it to be good.
Yes. And
this package is really cute.
Yeah, I was going to say, ZC has very cute packaging.
Oh, this is super cute. And I have to say, like, based on the package, I didn't expect it to be this pink.
No.
This is really cute.
Oh, that's really pretty. I knew you were going in.
It's probably going to be ashy on you.
Yeah, definitely ashy.
Not for me, though. Definitely usable color for me.
That's pretty.
Yeah. Cute.
Very so cute.
I need to say it. Like, legit. It's tickling me.
Right in the nose hairs.
Right in the nose hairs. All right. The next item is Trapped. It's Trapped.
Lip gloss by
Gourmand Girls.
$18.
All it says is Trapped.
Trapped collection lip gloss. Gourmand Girls. Show the box. Look at how interesting that box is.
It's got like a...
It looks like Audrey too.
Trap. Yeah. We're doing some
Little Shop
of Horrors.
Yes. Ooh, so pretty.
I don't know that I've had much from this brand ever.
I've never seen this brand before. Gourmand Girls.
Oh, it smells good.
Mmm.
Sometimes you get these independent lip glosses and they smell a little plasticky, but...
Oh, that's so pretty.
It's very pigmented.
This is a gloss? Yes. It looks like a liquid lip.
It does.
Oh, that's incredibly beautiful.
And it's very much a universal color.
Yeah.
Like, I'll use that color. You would use that color.
Yes, I would.
It's not too brown for me. It's not too red for you.
The packaging is so pretty.
Yeah, I almost could use it today.
Ooh.
And
we have a palette.
We got peanuts going everywhere. We have a palette. This is
La
Petite Maison from Gourmand Girls. The little house.
Ooh, that's a very pretty packaging.
I like this color story, so I'm hoping when I open this, it looks very much
a little
like
cottage moment in the woods. I love that.
The inner one looks just the same.
So cute. Ooh.
They've put the little white plugger guys on there. So far, not mad at all at what I'm... Oh, that's chunky. Okay.
Oh, I like that color story.
Very, I mean, yes.
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 Very appropriate.
All right, let's swatch this sucker.
Ooh.
Oh.
No. She just really lifted half the pan out
I
with
felt
that
like
swatch. Yeah. Ooh.
Okay. Here's the chunker. Yeah. That's very soft. It's pretty though.
Very pretty. Oh gosh, that was a pretty
That was a good red.
swatch.
Oh, these are... Just that gold went everywhere.
Yeah. I don't know if I would mess with that gold a whole lot.
That's pretty.
Love that orange. Ooh.
I mean, that's super light pink, like lightly colored. So
I think it's gorgeous. Ooh, I love that orange.
Oh, I love that green. So far, it's swatching really nicely.
Yes.
Look at that.
Ooh. Like a foily moment.
That's beautiful too.
Ooh.
Yeah, that swatched really nicely. I don't see any patchiness, really. This one is, you can't see it very well because it's just, and that's almost the color of my skin, but they're pretty.
I actually really like this
really
color
nicely.
story.
It's a beautiful color story. It's very wearable for a lot of people.
Yes.
Those are the kind of greens you like.
Those are the greens I
earthy-
like, the earthy.
Or an earthy green. So if this were yours, you would actually use it.
I would use that.
This is very much a color story that I'll use too. So
Awesome.
that, I'll probably, honestly, if I use it, I will use my finger on it because it's so soft. I think a brush is going to tear it apart.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, that was a little scary when you dipped in there.
I don't love doing that. And not like, that's just, I tapped it. I'm not a heavy swatcher either. I threw that, did I throw that?
Did you throw it at me?
I don't know what I must, did I? It went in the trash.
Okay.
We can get that. So how much does that retail for?
This was $40.
Okay.
I'm not mad at the price point.
Based on the way it's swatched, I'm absolutely not mad at the price point.
I agree.
I think it's a really nice palette.
Yeah.
It's definitely a color story I'll use.
Yeah. And I see like a Christmas moment if you needed to dip in there for a Christmas
There's
moment.
some green, there's some red, there's some golds.
Yeah.
Yep, absolutely. It
Very
can
fall appropriate.
take you right into spring too.
Yes. Oh, definitely.
Yeah.
Okay.
$30 for this box. I feel like we went through it really quickly.
We did go through it really quickly.
I think because it's just so late. It's December and this is November's box.
Great box as
Love
always.
getting a new mascara. Eyeliners are great. Blush is pretty.
Stunning lip.
Like, there is not an unusable product in this box. There's not a product that I feel is too cheap for this box. There's not anything that looks dollar store to me. Like, the thing's swatched really nicely. I'm really happy.
Yeah.
I'm really happy, and I hope there's not terrible things happening at Ice Cream Beauty because I would like to see this box continue. Would love to continue getting this box because it's always got fun things in it. Have you heard anything? Do you know anything weird that's going on with ice cream? Let us know in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe and ring our ding-a-lings.
Ding the ring ring.
And we will see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.